Hey, this morning I'm going to make French toast in my air fryer, which I don't think I ever did. I was talking to my friend the other day because he's excited about getting an air fryer, Jack, and he's asking me all these things I made, and I was telling him all these fancy things and everything, and he said, "Did you ever make French toast?" I said, "No, I should. It's so easy. Why not?" So I'm going to make it right now. I have 3 eggs, but depending on how much you're going to make, 2 might be enough. Let me just crack these up a little bit. 1, 2, 3. And you probably know how to do this. Get a little splash of milk in there, not too much. Boop. And then one of my secret ingredients I like to put in there is a drop of vanilla. Pure vanilla extract. That's a secret. Gives it a little spice. A little vanilla fun flavor. And some people like to put nutmeg in. You could put cinnamon in there. Or just leave it all plain. Just a little bit of that. And I don't use this often enough. You could just mix it up with a fork right now, but me and my little girl Julie got this at a yard sale about 20 years ago. It's nice. It's fun, isn't it? Mix them up. You know, fork is just easy enough. You know that. I like this thing. That's it. See? Oh. And I was looking for something to go with it, and I found 2 hash brown patties frozen in my freezer. I'm going to put them in my other air fryer across the room here. You could do them separately in your main air fryer if you don't happen to have 2. But I'm in a hurry. They're going in there for 5 minutes. I won't start that right now so you can hear me talk. Here we go. Nice air fryer. Whatever bread you happen to have. Take your hunk of bread. Not too much, or you can end up with an omelet sandwich. See, just like that. 1, 2, 3. This way you don't have to put butter or oil in a frying pan. Just healthy hot air. Oh, I lost that one. We lost one. Give me an extra. What happened to that bread? It's impatient, excited like me. Okay. There's that. I'm gonna use a manual setting here. I can just go temperature up or down. I'm going to go 350, and I'm going to start with like 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. Let me turn on this other one over here with the hash browns. They're going 5 minutes too, okay? Be back in 5 minutes. That's been 5 minutes on this one. I'm going to look at it. Getting there, but I'd like to turn it over. Oh, it's crunchy right there, but you know how I like them. A little spatula in there. See? Bottom is not quite toasty, but it's crunchy. I know I'm making a mess there. Another 5. They're gonna be perfect. You watch. Time. Come on, where were you? You hear the other ones going in the background? The hash browns? 350. Go ahead. Alright, this is gonna be good. Oh, the other one went off. Woo-wee! They went 5 minutes too, but you know me. I'll go another 5. Crunch them up. There we go. Alright. Oh yeah. That's how I like them. I like them crunchy. Hash browns are almost done. There they go. Perfect timing. Let me get a nice eating plate over here. Make it look like a nice breakfast. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah. Now you can put some sausage or bacon on the side, whatever you like. You know that. I'm gonna make some more. Get them hash browns. Sizzle. could have put half a dozen of them in there too, couldn't I have? Love it. Put some butter on there. I got some butter. Come on. Extra butter, Mama. You can stack them up or leave them like that. However you like them. A little maple syrup, if you like that. There you have it. Such a simple but not always thought of recipe. Thanks for reminding me, Jack, how easy this can be. I was naming all the fancy things I made and what you can do. And French toast. We'll take a taste. Does it look good? We'll take a taste. Listen to that crunch. Ah. Big taste for me. Hear that crunch? Woo! All right, give that a try. If you have an air fryer or two, thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna enjoy it completely. There you go. Have a nice day. Please subscribe.